Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills to see what treasures we can find. We are here, and where are we actually? I have no clue. I always say that we are in like the city of Orange, but I don't think we're in Orange. I think we're in Tustin, so this might be Tustin. But we are at the Goodwill. I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. If you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Don't forget to add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian. Ooh, did my voice crack? It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store. I'm super excited, so let's go in. Oh my gosh, it's one of those Phillips birch trees. It's only 20 bucks. Do I want this? Quite possibly. Okay, so I'm really hoping to find another one of these. Maybe two more, that would be amazing. Let's check out the handbag situation today. I think there's like a piano somewhere in this store because, oh my gosh, it's Mark by Mark. Why do I kind of like the look of it, to be honest? Is it weird that I kind of really like the way it looks? I'm just gonna hold on to it. I feel like it's really interesting looking. Mark by Mark. That was pretty cool to see one of those here. I haven't seen a like bag like that in one of these stores for like a hot second. Or actually in this particular store for a hot second. So I don't know, this store is like pretty high traffic too, so I feel like bags like that don't really last for very long in this store and people just buy them really quickly. So I'm pretty excited to actually see one on the floor. Usually like you get lucky with them being brought out in a car or something, so French Connection. I thought that was like maybe a Mark by Mark also for a second. French Connection. This is like a cool print. This looks like who makes the bag? I think it's either Celine or like Hermes. Makes the bag very similar to that style. Kyoko's leather. The music here is like a little loud, but it's really good, so I apologize for that if it's kind of like going crazy, but I love it. They always have really good music at the Goodwill and it makes me so happy. Why does this look just like a Fendi? But it, like, what's the brand? That Wonder Woman backpack is pretty epic. The Lego Batman backpack is really cool too. That's fun. Batman. The Incredibles, Trolls, emojis. This like toolbox looking thing is really cool. I just looked and it was 20 bucks. So maybe no, it is from Target though. This is actually pretty cool for like drinks and stuff. $7.99 is not too bad. Galvanized steel. Oh my gosh, it's like a little baby radio flyer. Okay, there's like a million little like sheep things in here. Oh my gosh, that is nuts. They have like a fancy DeLonghi like espresso maker for $50 still in box. These are so expensive every time I see them, but they're really cute. One day I'm gonna see one priced lower. Oh, I think this is, what's her face? Yeah, Rachel Ray. Mom has a set of those actually, in the yellow as well. Trying to see if they have any cool dishes, looking for anything, maybe Pottery Barn, West Elm, Crate and Barrel, definitely Anthropologie. This is pretty. This one looks like it's actually Pottery Barn. Maybe the Emma collection. And it's actually from Target. Look at these little measuring cups. These are from Target for $2.99. They're like hearth in hand. Those are actually pretty cute. This is from Barney's in New York. It's a seashell, $3.99. It's actually pretty nice. We literally have these same plates. They're like Corel or something. Yep, literally have those. We sent most of them to the Philippines, but we still have them. We literally had them all the way from when we used to live in New York. And they are like indestructible. Like I remember having dropped one of them on the floor and it didn't shatter or anything. So we have down here. This is like a kind of a cool bowl. I remember seeing this and I thought that this was anthropology, but it doesn't have like any like markings or anything, so I'm not sure. But it is really pretty. I love like the design on it. I think that's really cool. This is really pretty too, even though I have no clue what it is. Antique Reflections from TJ Maxx. Look at those flowers. My inner grandma is like wanting it. You guys, quick update. Look what I found. It's a Jack Skellington like cup. I guess it's from Disney. I don't know, it's $6 originally. I don't know how much it is here. If they give it to me for $1, then I guess I'll buy it and just clean it up a little bit. But also check out this Total Home like projector thing. It's pretty cool. So this might be a thing that I'm gonna get. But it's $30. It was originally $80. I don't know. We'll see. So on this side, like looking on both sides while I'm walking down, and I spotted, I think this is a Pampered Chef piece, but it's just really, really dirty. And I know Mom really likes these, but I don't know. This is like a little much. But yeah, it is Pampered Chef. How much do they have it marked at? It's not priced. I think to clean something like that, you put it in the oven, and you put the oven at self-clean with this inside of it, and like all that stuff will just turn to powder, and it should clean off. But I don't know, it might be a little too much to get and clean. Well, we already have a couple of them anyway. If it was newer and cleaner, I would probably get it, but anyone else could definitely easily clean it though, so that's like not really a problem for cleaning, because they're actually pretty easy to clean. Oh, like a deviled egg thing. Cool. It kind of looks like lettucey, but not like lettucey enough for me to get. Just chicken through the plate. Oh, look at these. Oh, look, first of all, Christmas tree. That's kind of cute. But look at this like basket weave blue plate. Target. Okay, so I had to move some stuff. I spotted these, and I remember seeing these plates in white ones, but like regular plates. And these are Crate and Barrel. They're porcelain. They're so pretty though. Wish there were more than two. I'm like really tempted to buy them because I think they're really nice, but really have no use for them, especially if I don't have like a matching set. So I think I'm going to be strong and I'm going to leave them. But let me look at these square. Oh, these are like, no. I thought they were like bigger square plates. I'm looking for some square plates for my cousin because she told me to keep a lookout for her. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cute. Country Club. Ooh, look at this fish. I see some square plates right there, but those are plastic. I'm looking for some ceramic plates. Okay, so these are definitely Pagnosin plates. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what's crazy is that they actually have 3 Pagnosin dinner plates. Oh. One of them is chipped. 2 of them are chipped. Okay, no, not worth it. Too bad. Looking through the knickknacks right now.
Can you see the
Oh, look at this blue thing. TJ Maxx. Always looking to see if they have like a cool anthropology vase, maybe, or something. Target, $6.99. Look at this fish lantern I just found. It is so stinking cute. Alright you guys, I am in the mug section and I found this little teacup right here that says booze inside. And I just think it's hilarious. I think I have another one of these mugs that I thrifted like maybe like 2 years ago. So now I can have like a set of 2, which I think is kind of fun. So either keep or possibly resell. I think they sold these at Urban Outfitters. I think like I looked it up and they're from Urban. I'm not 100% certain, but I think they're really cool and I think they're discontinued. They have a piece of like gold coral right there. Like you can like hang it up on the wall. Probably from Target. Toilet seat. Pineapple bookends, but one of them is broken. A Houdini ice holder. Some bathroom supplies. Ooh, butterflies on the basket. That's fun. Look at this desk. It's actually like kind of nice, except it's totally damaged right there, which is unfortunate. But still a nice desk. Got a trash can. That's 40 bucks. Alright you guys, just got everything inside the car. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when the haul video does go up for this. And let me know what your favorite item was that we found, and if you guys have found anything really cool recently as well, because I love hearing about your finds. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's number 2. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Wow, another shirt with 2 X's. Sweater. With the same print as the white shirt, but black.
I like it.
Yeah.
Then we got this for
Kid.
Peter.
Whoa, to match.
This for
Why is everyone matching with John?
and this